Burst sent me their Pro 2.0 Sonic Toothbrush for my review, and I'm going to be trying it for the very first time. So I just opened the box. This one clearly is the white. It does come in a couple different colors. Love that you just kind of have this one button here, making it really easy to use. So I did turn this on without a head, and then I automatically saw that there's a countdown, which I will show you. It gives you like 2 minutes on here because we all know that's how long you should be brushing your teeth for. And then it was kind of funny because when it was done, it said, "You did it." And then it also said, "Not quite." And I'm assuming it's because it knew that there was no like brush, like head on here. And then when it was done, it just said bye. Like, I think it's really cute. It's like super animated. But before we give it a try, there's like all these different boxes in here. And I just want to take a quick peek and see what it comes with. So what do we have here? Ooh, okay. So we've got, oh, so that is the toothbrush head. So we've got one head there. I don't know if it comes with multiple, or we're going to check that out. Okay, so then we have the charging cable here. We've got, I like the way that it came packaged. Everything's like nice and neat. Oh, and then this is, okay, so the wall mount. So you can stick this up on, it's got the 3M tape on the side here, and then it's to kind of put that up. So we've got that nice little wall mount here. And then what else do we have? And then this is probably just like the base, the charging base. Let's see, yep, so then you actually have the charging base here. So this is where it's gonna sit in, and obviously you're gonna have to plug this in to get that charged. Super nice, simple. I like the sleek design. Doesn't take up a ton of room because I feel like a lot of these toothbrushes like have like a massive charging station. So I think that's great. So let's go ahead and put this on, see what it looks like, and we are going to brush our teeth. Let's see. Ooh, okay, so we've got the nice little like tongue scrubber here on this side. I do like that they're little like smiley faces all over the place. I think that's really cute. And then of course we've got, ooh, check out those bristles. It's kind of funny, like I look at it, because of the way the bristles are, kind of looks like makes me feel like my vision is blurry because they're all like different heights and stuff, which I think is really cool. And then inside the middle, I've never seen that before. We've got a nice little like soft plastic piece inside there. That's gonna be really great to get any of those like really like built on pieces. So let's go ahead and put that on here. So I do want to show you before I put the toothpaste on here, just to turn it on. So like, look at this, so you've got the burst, you can go, and then you've got your whitening here, and then it's going to give you, like when you stop, it gives you, so you still have 116 seconds to go. So it's like if you're ever like unsure, but once you get to your 2 minutes, it's actually gonna automatically stop, which is really great. So let's go ahead and put on some toothpaste. We're gonna give it a couple minutes, not a full brush, just to see how it feels, our first impressions. Okay. Good vibration. Feels good. Hold on. Okay. Nobody needs to see me do a full brush, but first impression, love the size of the head. Oftentimes these are like way too big, and I just feel like you can't get in the back around your mouth very much, but I feel like this is the perfect size. Those bristles feel really good. There's a lot of vibration, but not, I have really sensitive teeth and gums, but it's not too intense for me, which I think is really important. But at the same time, even in just those couple of seconds, I feel like I have a really great clean. So if you are looking for a really fantastic, nice portable toothbrush, I think this one is really great.